Greatest?
Pharmacist motherfucker.
Something on how to drop a fool. Man, I'm running with the Mac and I'm running with the 217 on the box to tell a player hit the 2. Make it easy, man. I go and walk with my weapon. I make it easy, man. I go and copping and stepping. I push the pressure on a sucker when I